Hey guys, ready for some Thursday math? I'm going to go ahead and get ready to share my screen with you. For today's math lesson, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. It might be helpful to have a grown-up draw clocks for you because today you're going to be responsible for drawing the clock's hand, the hour hand, and the minute hand. So yesterday, whenever we worked together on math, you guys were actually already seeing the clock finished and you were writing the times. This time it's going to give you the time and you need to draw the hands on the clock. So if you need to pause this and have your parents draw you, I think there's 6 clocks. We're going to practice those together. So I'm going to do 3 with you, and then I want you to finish the rest by yourself. And then at the end of this lesson, I'm going to tell you what supplies you will need for Friday's craft. Okay, it's really basic. You should have everything you need. All right, I'm going to turn my camera off and share my screen with you. Okay. Oh, there's actually 8. I was wrong. There's more. Okay, guys, so we're looking at these tulips. It says, draw clock hands to show the correct time. So I'm going to zoom into this first one, and it's a little bit blurry, but that's okay. It'll still work. And what we're going to do is we're going to look together and figure out how we can draw hands on this clock to make the time that's on the leaf. So first, I want you to look at the time on the leaf. 1 o'clock. Very good. So I know I start with my hour hand. Is my hour hand my short hand or my long hand? It's my short hand. So I'm going to put my finger in the middle of that clock, and I'm going to draw a short little arrow pointing right at the 1. All right, then if I look back on my leaf, I have 1 o'clock. Where does our minute hand go when it's o'clock? To the 12. Very good. So then I'm going to, once again, put my finger in the middle of that clock, draw a taller arrow. It has to be a minute hand. It's longer, pointing straight up top to the 12. 1 o'clock. Good. Let's look at the next one together. 6 o'clock. Look on that leaf. 6 o'clock. I start with my hour hand, and I draw my short little hour hand, pointing down to the 6. And where does my minute hand go for o'clock? It goes straight up to the 12. Good. Make sure your minute hand is longer than your hour hand. They have to look different. All right, let's look at this last one together. Read the time on the leaf. 7 o'clock. Good. I start with my little baby hour hand. Draw a little hour hand to 7. And where do I go for o'clock? To the 12. Very good. I'm going to draw my tall minute hand pointing up to the 12. Good job, guys. I'm going to slowly scroll down to these last few, and you can pause the video right here so that you can see all the times. All right. I want you to make sure you have your clocks drawn. A grown-up can help you with that, or you can do it yourself. And then I want you to write those times on the clock. So we have 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. So you're responsible for drawing the hour hand and the minute hand on each clock. Make sure I can tell which one is which. The hour hand needs to be shorter than the minute hand. All right, guys, when you're finished with that, I'm going to explain to you the craft that we're going to make tomorrow. So all you're going to need, I'm not going to give you the template because I know some people don't have printers at home. I don't have a printer at home either. So all you'll need is a piece of paper. It doesn't even have to be a white piece of paper. It can be whatever color you want. Then you'll need crayons, paint, pencils, colored pencils, whatever you want to decorate your watch with, stickers, glitter, whatever extra decorations you may have at home that you want to use. You'll need a pair of scissors and some tape. If you don't have tape, you may use a glue stick. All of you should have your glue sticks because I put them in I sent your pencil boxes home and they all should have had glue sticks in them. So the first thing you'll do is you will have a grown-up, or you can do it yourself, draw a watch. See this template I have here? But we're going to do it together tomorrow. So if you want to go ahead and have that part out of the way, you can do that, or you can just wait and we'll all do it together and I'll help you draw it with me. But we're going to do that Friday. So those are the materials you'll need. I just wanted to give you a heads up so that you have all that stuff ready for Friday morning when I post that video so you can make your watch, okay? Alrighty, friends. I hope you have an excellent Thursday. Cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow during the parade. It's all I've been thinking about. I couldn't even sleep last night. I was just thinking about seeing you guys, and I was just super excited about it. So, work super hard on math today. I can't wait to see your clocks and how you drew your hour and your minute hands. Have a good rest of your Thursday, guys.